Hey everyone, today I want to show you the Huepar 703TR, and one feature that actually saves a ton of time on the job. On most lasers, the receiver and remote are two separate tools. With 703TR, they are built into one single unit. That means you can detect the line, rotate, and fine-tune alignment, all from the same controller. Even better, it supports automatic alignment. Instead of constantly walking back and forth just to nudge your laser an inch to the left, the 703TR lets you lock a reference point, then period the laser line remotely, either manually or automatically. Let's say you are building a partition wall here. Once your reference point is locked, and you realize the line is not quite you wanted, like an inch to the left, no need to touch the unit, the pivot is already set. From there, just tap the remote and watch the vertical line realign, or use the remote as your reference, and the vertical line will realign automatically. What used to take two people now turn into a smooth one-person layout. So that is a new feature. For more details on this tool, keep watching.
How to use laser level 703TR. Power on. Horizontal vertical laser switch button. Brightness adjustment. Pulse mode. Laser window. Pendulum, transit lock, integrated magnetic bracket, 1/4 -20 threaded mount, 5/8 -11 threaded mount, manual swivel base, motorized swivel base, laser receiver controller overview, fast clockwise rotation button, fast counterclockwise rotation button, slow clockwise rotation button, slow counterclockwise rotation button, horizontal, vertical laser line switch and sound level switch button, power on button, auto align button, bubble level vial, LED indicators, laser receiver window, 1/4 20 threaded mounts, battery compartment cover, holder sheet, magnets, function and use, manual, fine motorized swivel base, manual rotation base, rotates up to 125 degrees for wide, flexible positioning. Fine motorized rotation base, offers precise 16 degrees micro adjustment, allowing the entire vertical laser lines to rotate around its intersection. Perfect for fine point-to-point or point-to-line alignment. The motorized base reaches its left or right limit. The laser line will flash to warn you. Note, the fine motorized rotation base automatically resets when the laser level is powered off. Vertical lines, automatic alignment. With the 703TR Compact and the LR-XRG Receiver, one person can automatically align the vertical laser plane with two target point with high accuracy. How it works? 1. Slide the pendulum to unlocked to turn on self-leveling mode and two vertical laser lines. 2. Align the first intersection of the vertical window laser lines. 3. Ensure the second intersection is within 16 degrees. 4. Within 30 meters, align the center line of the LR-XRG with the second intersection. 5. Open the battery cover bracket to center the bubble level, then secure the receiver in place. 6. Press the LR-XRG Receiver's button to start auto alignment. 7. The motorized base will sweep left and right within an 8 degrees range. The power button LED flashes slowly and slow beep will sound. Once the receiver detects the laser and centers it, the system stops automatically. The beeping stops and the LED turns solid. Notes: auto alignment does not work in manual mode. Please avoid glass or reflective surfaces to prevent interference. As the beam nears the receiver window, the base will slow down for precise alignment. If the tool is bumped or moved during alignment, the laser flashes 3 times. Auto alignment stops and the tool returns to the previous mode. Self-leveling mode. Slide the pendulum, turn on. If the tool is outside the plus or minus 3.5 degrees range, the laser line will flash rapidly. Manual tilt mode. Pendulum lock. Press and hold the power button. 4 is greater than or equal to 2 seconds to turn on. The laser lines blink every 3-5 seconds to remind you it's not in self-leveling mode. You can set the tool at any angle, but the beams cannot be used as a horizontal or vertical references. Note, The laser level can only be turned off when the pendulum is in its locked position. Pulse mode, for use with a laser receiver. Pulse mode allows the laser to work with the receiver for longer distances or bright environments. Short press turn pulse mode on. In pulse mode, the laser becomes dimmer. The receiver at least 17 feet 5 meters away from the laser level. The holder bracket to keep the receiver standing upright. Long press the button for is less than or equal to 2 seconds to switch sound on, off. The button LED will flash slowly every 5 seconds to indicate low battery. Replace the batteries. The LED indicators and beeps will guide you by showing which direction to move the receiver. Line switching. Short press the button to cycle through the different laser line combinations. Adjust brightness. Short press button to adjust beam's brightness. 3 brightness levels: full brightness, medium level, low level. Note, brightness cannot be adjusted in pulse mode. Integrated magnetic bracket. Multiple installation methods: slots for screws, strong magnets, attached to a tripod. 5,200 mAh lithium battery. Type-C charging. The battery's USB-C port is a dual-role power DRP interface, so it can either deliver or receive power. Battery switch for easy to check the battery level.